Oh. This is going to be confusing.
Hi everybody, it is April and Sherry, and today on Quilting with Sherry, we are going to use these layer cakes and 5-inch charm squares to make this block. And that is going to result in this quilt. Hopefully, kind of.
Good Lord.
So, don't go anywhere. If you're new to quilting, this is where you want to be, because Sherry is going to ask all the good questions that you want answers to. And if you're an experienced quilter, we want you to stay so that you can give Sherry some answers too. You know, there's always more than one way to do things. So, let's get started.
Pray for Sherry.
So we've got Serenity 10 Karat Gems by Wilmington. Look at how pretty.
Kind.
This is the pattern. It looks like there are solid squares in here.
Yeah.
Okay. So it shows you how to make this block here. Oh, and then, yeah. But look, see the white? Those are solid. So you can use your 10-inch squares there. And like here's half. Yeah, we'll have to figure out exactly how this. Oh, you know what?
What?
So they did 2 and 2. So you need 2 of the same and 2 of the same, I think.
We've got 2 of these.
Yeah, and then 2, whichever.
All of them have 2.
So you can just pick 2.
2 light, 2 dark?
It looks like that's what they're doing. So let's go to the sewing machine. Do you remember which side to sew?
Right sides together.
I know, but do you remember which side you're sewing on?
No.
So let's put them back down.
Why would it matter?
Well, if you want them to be the way you laid them out.
Okay. Okay, so I want to sew this side.
Okay.
I guess.
Yeah, that's what happens to me.
How do you make this thing go up?
It's just like yours.
Well, I don't sew on mine like this. And remember, I've got that knee thing now.
Wait, and make sure you start at the beginning.
Don't I back tack it?
Uh-uh.
Oh.
If you hit the wrong thing, it'll cut your thread. You have to just go forward. If you hit the back of the pedal, it'll cut.
Oh, I didn't know that it had a back of a pedal to do it.
Yep.
Fancy. Why won't it go?
Because you keep hitting the cut.
What? It is not working. I'm using a big one. Is
Okay,
it?
you see how you're putting your foot on the back of the pedal? All you're doing is cutting the thread.
Now it's on the tippy.
You have to be at the top.
6.5 hours later.
Oh, looky there, it goes.
And you can make it faster if you want. And then stop now. Okay, and then you're gonna...
Put these two together?
Uh-huh. And you're going to chain piece. Now, since you've got these sewn together, you can finger press that seam that way, and then finger press this seam this way, and fold it over, and you nest your seams like that. So see how they're nested? And then you can just sew them together. Now you're going to see, let's see how, yep, see how It's not perfect, but that's not a big deal.
Really?
Not a big deal. The goal is, that's just your goal. It's not a big deal.
I think it's pretty perfect.
I think it looks great. Okay, now let's go press it. You'll want to make sure you press that seam that way, and that seam that way, and that's that way. I like to do it on the back just because you can see what you're doing.
Do you want me to spray it or no?
It's up to you. If you want to spray it, you can.
Good?
Yep.
Ta-da!
Okay, so now what Sherry's going to do is follow the instructions in order to make this block. So we have our 4-patch, and we're kind of going by what we think it is, which should work out just fine. So you want to tell them what you're doing?
I got a 3-inch ruler, putting it in the middle, which would be what, 1.5 inches on each side. So I'm gonna cut it, right?
Yep.
Does this blade go in or to the outside?
Like you have it right now.
Okay. I need a swivel.
Oh, I have one.
There.
That's all right.
Okay.
All right, now what does it say? Okay, so you've got,
That's,
oh, I think we need to cut it. Let's see.
Uh.
So cut here.
just sew it back together again?
Yeah,
Do it
but
the
I'm
other
trying
way?
to figure out. So, okay, where are the little squares coming in?
I hear you cut it, right? You
Yeah,
cut
but
it.
where, oh, okay. Oh, do you cut it on all 4 sides? Oh, yes.
So put it back together?
Yeah, put each side like it was, and then you're going to swivel your mat because you're going to cut it down this way and down the other way.
Oh, that's gonna look janky.
No, it's not. I think it, no,
By the time I get done with it, it will.
No. Just make sure they line up. Okay, so then you're going to swivel it like that, and you're going to do it on either side of, so it's all about all around the line, the 4 lines. That's where the little 4-patch, okay.
What's that?
Hopefully. Yeah, and then,
Can I just take them apart and do them separate?
yeah. You can do whatever you want.
Well, the reason why I think it's moving on me.
Right. That's perfectly fine.
That one.
Let's sew this
I
one
kinda like
together.
it.
Yeah. I mean,
All right, so how do you want me to do it? Down or across?
I would do it down.
So this.
Yes. Oh my gosh, it looks good. Hold it up.
But right there is janky.
It looks good. Hold it up. Hold it up. That looks good. All right. You only have 51
No.
to go.
Oh my God. No.
What's wrong with 51?
Ugh.
All All right, so Sherry's going to get busy sewing. And when we come back to quilting with Sherry, we will be putting our blocks together.
Will you sew them for me?
I can help.
Oh, God.
Have a great day.
Oh, I'm diabetic. I don't get no chocolate. What can I have?
Let's see. Soy.
Have a great day and drink lots of water. For me.